person. Mahatma Gandhi is the ideal person. So, can you tell me why you have chosen Mahatma Gandhi as an ideal person?
Sir,
There are
because
so many freedom fighters are there are so many leaders are there. Then why have you chosen Mahatma Gandhi as your
Sir,
preference?
Mahatma Gandhi is known as father of the nation. Along with this, he has so much contribution in our nation as well as in nation building or in constructive development program of India. Like he has played a leadership role in non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement, Quit India movement, as well as he also emphasizes on cleanliness program in all over India. Along with this, he has given so many philosophies like Sarvodaya, ends and means, trusteeship concept. So that is why he's a multi-dimensional personality. So that is why, and he always emphasized on non-violence, which is a very important, which is a very relevant today for establishing peace in the world.
So, Madam, can ideals of non-violence, his ideals of Satyagraha and Satyarthi is still relevant in today's world? How
Yes.
can you justify in international relations and in day-to-day life?
Sir, in international relation, both soft power and soft power play a very important role to establish cordial relation between two nations. His satyagraha is a very important because nowadays we need because nowadays any political interest group or political pressure group demanding some right from the government, so it is the only means through which peace can be established as well as
Ma'am, can you explain for you, or do you accept, or do you give your positive aspects on this on these lines?
Sorry sir, I can't understand your question.
I am just asking. In Bihar, there is a concept or there is a proverb, "Ek Bihari sab par bhari." Can you take your stand on these statements?
Sir, I think all because
Madam, what are the challenges of Bihar so that Bihar is a backward state? Can you list down some challenges of Bihar so that I can say yes, these are some of the challenges where Bihar is lacking?
Sir, number one is after 2000 Bihar is a mainly agricultural state, and after the separation from Jharkhand, 90% of industrial area goes to Jharkhand. Mineral mines are goes to Jharkhand. So one of the reason, and the second one is maybe there is a political negligence. Number third one is corruption. Number fourth is lack of skilled people are there, because overall in India only 5% of people getting any formal training. And the number fourth is lack of infrastructure, lack of private investment or foreign direct investment, equalization policy, state.
Madam, you have just told na कि Bihari peoples are very hardworking, and they are so much hardworking that
Skill is different from academic academic performance. It is different from skilling.
Madam, you have just is because of the state of the Bihar state is an agricultural state. So don't you think that Punjab and Haryana are the same lines?
Sir, in Punjab and Haryana are from in 80% of farmer in Bihar are small and marginal farmer. They are lacking less. They are lacking more than 10 hectare of land, and in Jharkhand, in Bihar, there is a less mechanization of agriculture. Still, agriculture sector is dependent on rain fed. So and while in Punjab and Haryana, 90% of farmers are taking the benefit of MSP as well, and they are rich in, and their land is also and there is land is also big, less more hectare से. थोड़ा आप हिंदी में भी.
Madam, you have just your. Can you name some of the education of Bihar? And in other way, what do you want to change in education system of Bihar?
So Bihar let 1.8%. the current whatever the challenges Bihar education system is facing, I would try to improve upon it. Like Bihar is facing infrastructural challenges. Number one is infrastructural challenges. Also, teachers are no doubt they are well qualified, but they are not teaching properly. And the third one is whatever the food provided in midday meal scheme, they are not qualitative in nature. There is a corruption, negligence. So I would take these methods to improve there. First of all, I would try to improve.
मैं आप अभी इंटरव्यू के लिए, साक्षात्कार के लिए बुलाई जा रही हैं, तो आप कितना कॉन्फिडेंट है, कितना आत्मविश्वास है आपको कि आपका अंतिम रूप से चयन हो जाएगा, यू आर फाइनली सेलेक्टेड? व्हाट एक्सटेंट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस प्रिवेलिंग इन योर हार्ट और योर माइंड? पास्ट स्कूल एक्सपीरियंसेस, इज द schools were suitable for the overall development of a student in Bihar as well as Jharkhand?
Sir, after family, school play a very important role in socialization process, not only developing academic but also physical, mental and multidimensional development of an child or individual. It will help me to develop a good leadership quality. It will help me to develop understanding the world in a various dimensions way. So I think school is a better place where and good individual.
Please understand my question. You opted Bihar Education Service and you have already past experience about school education. You did your schooling from any school. So my question is that, is there government schools are suitable for the overall development of a student in Bihar as well as Jharkhand?
सर, जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल है वो अभी बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस फेस कर रही हैं, लेकिन वो जो है एक जो शिक्षा जिसको पब्लिक गुड कहा जाता है, गवर्नमेंट प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश कर रही है। बहुत सारे चैलेंजेस फेस कर रही है, जैसे कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल इशू फेस कर रही है, लैक ऑफ टीचर ट्रेनिंग होता है, स्मार्ट क्लासरूम नहीं होता है। लेकिन बिहार गवर्नमेंट और अदर स्टेट्स के गवर्नमेंट इसे इम्प्रूव करने की कोशिश कर रही है। सर्व शिक्षा अभियान जो है उसे सफल बनाने की कोशिश किया जा रहा है, और बिहार जो है सबसे ज़्यादा जीडीपी में अभी खर्च कर रहा है सारे स्टेट से ज़्यादा एजुकेशन के मामले में। और बिहार ने और भी बहुत सारी नीतियां चला कर रखी है, जैसे शिक्षा प्रोत्साहन योजना और प्रोवाइडिंग स्कॉलरशिप स्कीम एंड ऑल्सो प्रोवाइडिंग financial benefit to those who are qualified getting first division in 10th 12th or in a graduation. So I think it will help to improve qualitative.
If you will be selected as a block education, Bihar Education Services, so can I ask you that what measures you will take for improving condition of government schools, especially in rural areas?
सर, आई वुड डू मैं रेगुलर विज़िट करूँगी स्कूल्स में। वहाँ पे जो मिड डे मील स्कीम के थ्रू जो खाना प्रोवाइड किया जाता है उसमें क्वालिटेटिवली इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहूँगी, क्योंकि अभी कुछ दिन पहले के न्यूज़ है कि खाने में कुछ 32 लोगों को फूड पॉइजनिंग हो गया। तो पहला मेरा वो रहेगा प्रायोरिटी। दूसरा रहेगा प्रायोरिटी कि वहाँ पे जो शिक्षक हैं वो बहुत अच्छे वेल क्वालिफाइड होते हैं, चयनित होकर आते हैं, तो वो अपने योगदान दें बेहतर शिक्षा को बेहतर बनाने में। और तीसरा मेरा प्रयास रहेगा कि मैं रेगुलर टीचर्स को ट्रेनिंग में भेजूंगी, क्योंकि जो बेसिकली टीचर को ही ज़्यादा ज़रूरत होता है अब बच्चों को एक नए तरीके से। और जैसे सैटरडे में नो बैगेजेस होता है, मतलब बिना बैग के, या फिर खेल के थ्रू जादू
करिकुलर
एक्टिविटीज़ करवाऊंगी स्पोर्ट्स पे और अदर डायमेंशंस पे, और वहाँ पे स्मार्ट क्लास प्रोवाइड करने की कोशिश करूँगी।
Do you know about विनोबा भावे?
विनोबा भावे का जो ओरिजिनल नाम था वो है सॉरी सर, विनोबा भावे ने भूदान मूवमेंट में अपना बहुत बड़ा योगदान दिया है और वो गांधी जी के बहुत बड़े डिसाइपल है। गांधी जी ने अपना बहुत बड़ा डिसाइपल माना है विनोबा भावे को।
तो भूदान मूवमेंट, विनोबा भावे was associated with Bhudan movement.
एंड ऑल्सो विथ
He was
इंडिविजुअल
founder.
सत्याग्रह।
And do you know about Jay Prakash Narayan?
यस सर, जयप्रकाश।
Especially he was highlighted from your native place Hazaribagh. For which context?
सर ये जेल से भाग गए थे।
जी।
जयप्रकाश नारायण हजारीबाग सेंट्रल जेल से 15 नवंबर की रात को भाग गए थे। वो समय क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट का समय था और वो अपने 5 साथियों के साथ भाग गए थे और उन्होंने फिर नेपाल में शरण ली थी और वहाँ पे उन्होंने आज़ाद दस्ता का गठन कर आज़ादी में भाग लिया।
वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा है। इसी कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ आप जाके देंगे इंटरव्यू। और जब इंग्लिश में बोले तब आप इंग्लिश बोले, जब हिंदी में पूछे तो आप हिंदी में बोला कीजिएगा, ठीक है? दोनों ही लैंग्वेज बोलना है। लिखा
सर तो फिर डर जाते हैं कि इंग्लिश में।
ऐसा क्या डरना है, वो आदमी हिंदी